Hello everyone, today I am sharing a recipe. So I will be making avocado salsa with grilled chicken. For this recipe I mixed 2 avocado along with 2 cloves of garlic, coriander leaves, tomatoes, salt, lemon, chili flakes in a mixer. Instead of mustard oil, olive oil is used here, but my husband prefers mustard oil, so I added it to the salsa. Then I heated some mustard oil. Then I put hot oil in that paste. Then mix it all well and ready my avocado salsa. Here I got 400 gram chicken breast and I marinated it with paste of 2 spoons of soya sauce, 1 spoon honey, 1 spoon oregano, salt, coriander leaves, black pepper for 30 minutes. I brushed this plate with a little butter and put it in the oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees. Then my grilled chicken with avocado salsa is ready. Try this delicious recipe at home.